Yeah, what you guys have to just do now, just subscribe to my channel and like if you like
and
it
share.
and share it, that this is the plantain porridge, green plantain porridge. You can see it going.
And subscribe and tell us what you want to do.
And tell me what you want me to do.
And next time,
I can create
the content.
I can create any content for you guys. Anything that you need to do. Any type of cooking.
Yeah,
just call it out and I will do it.
Jamaican way.
Jamaican way. I will do it for you. Right?
Naturally.
So, natural things I do.
Just subscribe to the channel and
just
share.
Subscribe to the channel and share.
And share the video when you see the video.
And share the video when you see it. And thanks all the time. Blessing. Blessing, more blessing. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, this is it, man. That's the way I do it, you know. Enjoyable porridge. I know this porridge gonna enjoyable, you know. Yeah, man.
Like and share.
Like and share. You know what? Run to the notice button.
Yeah, man.
Immediately. Run to it. Touch it. Blim, blim, blim.
Yeah,
Anti-clear.